Hi friends, this is Srinivas here and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Cars Info. As per the promise, I am bringing you the walk around of the Urban Cruiser. Before getting into the in-depth of the Urban Cruiser, I'll tell you about basically a joint venture between Suzuki and Toyota. Basically, it is not a profit sharing venture, it is a technology sharing partnership where Suzuki is going to share its powertrain, means engine and vehicle design or the chassis design to Toyota, and Toyota is going to share its hybrid technology to Suzuki. That's why you can see a lot of cross batching has happened with this product. The first product which came into the market was the Baleno. Rebadged version is the Glanza. You can see the front there. Next product which is coming on the product line is the Urban Cruiser, which is you can say is a cross badging of the Vitara Brezza. Now your question arises, why should I buy a Toyota Urban Cruiser? So we will be answering this question to you. Coming to the, your question will be arising that why should I buy a Toyota Urban Cruiser when there is already a sibling in the market? Then what is advantage of having a Toyota car is that you get a standard warranty of 3 years and 1 lakh kilometer with the extended warranty of 5 years and 1,50,000 kilometer. And Toyota has always been known for its service. That's why it has a separate image in the Indian market. Coming to it, touch points, it comes with 303 touch points with the facility of EM60, EM90 and EM120. Along with that, it also provides a 3 years free roadside assistance to its customers. And if you want to ease the cost of maintenance, it comes with a package of Toyota Smiles. So you can, based on your cost, based on your usage, you can have a separate plan for it to ease the cost of maintenance. So these are the benefits you will be getting enrolled when you will be purchasing a Toyota Urban Cruiser. Specification, it comes with 1.5 liter BS6 compliant naturally aspirated petrol engine. It gives a power around 105 PS at the rate 6000 RPM, torque around 138 Nm at the rate 4400 RPM. As per the CMVR certification, the fuel efficiency claim is for manual transmission it is 17.03 km per liter, for automatic it is 18.76 kmpl per liter or kilometer per liter. Friends, remember here the dual battery setup is available only in automatic transmission. Whenever you see the car from the front, the first thing you'll be noticing is its front grille, which comes with a 2-slated wedge cut front chrome and grey finish, which gives a car more bold and masculine look, and it reminds me of a mini Fortuner. Then coming to the other comfort feature, whenever you will be driving this car in the night time, it comes with a dual chamber LED projector headlamps with integrated DRLs. I'll show you friend how it works. So this is a dual chamber with integrated LED DRL, and to counter all foggy condition, it comes with a LED fog lamp. As it's a compact SUV, to give a car more masculine look, it comes with this thick bumper with silver skid plate. It will be in the front and also as the rear. Now I will go to the side of the car and we'll see what are the features available. The most aspirational or the most instant attractive feature is its diamond cut alloy wheel. It is 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheel with a tire profile of 215 by 60 R60. The width of the tire is good, or the tread area is quite wider, to give a better road grip, and also enhances the fun to drive experience to the person who will be driving the car. Coming to the disc, it comes with a front ventilated disc, rear is the drum brake. Coming to the dimension of the car, I'll be sharing on the screen. Friends, you have a better look of it. Then coming to, as it's a compact SUV, certain feature has added in this car to give that SUV look, like it has a roof rail to give a car more sporty look. And you can also notice here, this is the A pillar, B pillar and C pillar. It has been all black tape out to give it's a floating effect, as the car is stagnant, not moving, but still you can feel the car is on a move. Then you can see as a black color ORV. As this car we are shooting is the dual tone color. Total 9 color options are for monotone, which means a single tone. 3 colors are for dual tone. I'll be sharing on the screen. Friends, have a look on it. Then coming to the, careful, it comes with a black color ORV with side turn indicator, so that opposite person will know which side the vehicle is taking a turn. Then coming to the to counter all type of terrain, or basically a rough terrain, as you know the road conditions. It comes with a 198 ground clearance, so it's easy and is more comfortable, and it also reduces the underbody damage. Then we'll come to the rear. As you can see, there is a place constraint is there. So you can see it comes with, as Urban Cruiser comes with the LED package, it is the rear split LED combi light. Whenever the brake is applied, you can see the illumination will be there. So it is quite comfortable, and the rear person who is coming behind this car will also get the intimation when to stop it. Along with it, it comes with a LED stop lamp. Whenever the brake is applied, it will illuminate. Then here is a integrated spoiler. The benefit of this type of spoiler is that it also enhances the aesthetic look or the sportiness of the car, plus it also provides the car a stability when the car is driven on a high speed. To get inside the Urban Cruiser, it comes with a smart key entry. So this is the button, you have to press it. You can easily get inside the car. So based on your height, if you want to adjust, it comes with manual driver seat adjustment along with the tilt steering. So now we'll see inside the Urban Cruiser what are the features available. Coming to the fabric interiors, the first thing you'll notice is it's all dark brown interiors. You can see the pattern here. It is a honeycomb type. Based on the variant, it will be changed. So sit inside the Urban Cruiser. So this is the setup. It is very simple and easy to get it used to it, and it is also very comfortable. So you can see this is the dashboard, which is very flat, so the visibility is very good, and whenever I'll be driving in a more congested place also, I'll be very comfortable. This is the cooled glove box, upper cooled glove box, so that you can keep your beverages here. For the entertainment purpose, Urban Cruiser comes with 7-inch smart play cast with 4 speakers and 2 tweeters. So whenever you are going for a long drive, not to make you bored, to entertain you, it comes with this. It comes with a 4 speaker, along with that USB port, aux, and Bluetooth connectivity. Then there is a other function that has been given is the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For that, you have to have original cable. You have to place that data cable here, and you have to connect your smartphone there. So once you get connected, you can use. So go to the settings. This is the thing. So smartphone linkage. Here you get the option of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So based on your smartphone, you get into the slot and you can use it. So coming to the steering, it comes with a leather wraparound steering. So the feel of the steering is good, and also it's very well designed. So longer journeys you won't get tired. Along with that, it comes with certain mounted controls, like it is for the audio, Bluetooth. If you want to receive the call, cut the call, and voice command, this function will be enabled whenever you will be using a smartphone or Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Coming to this, it is a cruise control function. It comes in a 2 variant, that is high and premium variant, as Urban Cruiser comes with 3 variants, mid, high and premium. And coming to other thing, electrochromic IR beam mirror is also here available. So you have the switches there. So night time when you will be driving, you will be very comfortable. Then there is rain sensing wiper. So whenever you will be driving in a rainy condition, automatically it senses the rain and it will wipe the windshield. As windshield comes with the green glass, so it try to reduce the ultraviolet rays to come inside the cabin. So then the next is that it reduces the heat to come inside to cool you comfort for all type of Indian climate. It comes with a auto AC as a standard feature. So here is the switches. If you want to increase, decrease, this is auto switch. This is the mode, front windshield or rear defogger, fan, and as this car comes with 2 transmission options. One is the 5-speed manual transmission and 4-speed automatic. Friends, remember that dual battery setup will be available only in automatic version, and other features like to have a better driving position. This is a sliding armrest, so whenever you are going for a long drive, you can use it. And there is also a cup holder here to keep your things. If you have a phone, you can place it here. This is extra place has been given. So we'll sit at the rear and see what is the plus point. Coming to the biggest USP point of Urban Cruiser is its rear seat passenger comfort. You can see my height is 5'11". You can see the headroom and the legroom. It is quite comfortable, and longer journeys will be quite fatigue free. So you can see the central tunnel is also flat. So even the third person can also accumulate easily, and it will be comfortable for them also. Then we can see what is the practicality about the boot space of urban cruiser. Standard boot space of urban cruiser is 328 liters. You can see here. But if you want to increase the boot space, there is a provision of 60-40 split. So you can do it. I'll show it from the side. So based on your requirement, as we Indians loves to accumulate a lot of things here, you can do it. So whenever you're going for any events, festivals or marriage, so you want to have a lot of stuff there, based on your requirement, you can do it. So we'll see last part of is the safety package. Coming to the safety package of urban cruiser, certain features are standard features like dual airbag, ABS with EBD, rear defogger, green glass, and also it comes with front ventilated disc and rear drum and seat belt reminder. These are the standard features you will get, and certain features you will get in the top end variant, like reverse camera you will get, auto ORVM lock you will get, and also the electrochromic IRVM, that is auto you will get in the top end variant. Then another features that only exclusive for automatic version is the hill hold control. Friends, remember that it is not coming in the manual transmission. It is only available in the automatic version. There are certain warnings which will be shared to its driver, like key alert, door ajar, headlamp on, low fuel, and seatbelt reminder. Along with that, there is another warnings come is the high speed warning. When the vehicle reaches 80 km/h, for every 2 minutes, there will be every 1 minute there will be a buzzer happens, and once the vehicle reaches 120 km, the buzzer will be continuous. So these are the safety packages you get in the urban cruiser. Thank you friends for watching this video, and I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and also to share it to your friends, and also in the comment box kindly comment me which type of videos you are looking from me, so that I'll plan and make a video on it. Once again, thank you, be safe, Jai Hind.